Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we want to go start by opening up the File tab, and then go down and select Options at the bottom here. Select Trust Center at the bottom of this list on the left side here, and then select where it says Trust Center Settings. Go ahead and select that. And then there'll be an option on the left side that says Macro Settings. Go ahead and select that. And now you can go ahead and make different changes here. So if you want to enable VBA macros, you can go ahead and just select that there. If you want to enable VBA macros, you can. So just please keep in mind, you should definitely know where your files are coming from because potentially dangerous code can run through macros. So just please keep that in mind. You can modify the settings. You can go all the way from disabling all macros without notification to disabling macros with notification and disabling macros except digitally signed macros. So there's a scale you can kind of go with here. So you just want to enable all macros. You would select the fourth option in here, and then you would select OK. And I would consider turning that back off or just going back to the default setting once you're done modifying whatever Excel workbook you need. But that's definitely a personal preference. And if you're not really downloading any Excel files from offline, and it's just a local install on your computer, your own personal computer, I don't really see, too big of a problem with that. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.